In this chapter, to transfer our old microwave project in XStudio to the AR environment, we need a GLB file format. After clicking the Export button, we navigate to the GLTF section and select the 3D drive location where we want to save the file. In a short time, the GLB file is saved in the folder we selected in 3D Drive. We then download the file to our computer and open it. We will use the Model Viewer Editor, a free tool, to bring our model into the AR environment. First, we upload the downloaded GLB file to this area. Most mobile devices have the Scene Viewer app for AR by default. We check this box to display our model with the application. Now we will configure our scene settings. You can choose an HDR of your preference or select one from the list that suits you. Additionally, you can adjust the intensity and softness of the shadows. In the camera settings, we can make the model rotate automatically. We can also limit the model in the environment with settings such as minimum zoom. To keep our model fixed in position, we set Auto Rotate to Passive. In the material settings, you can adjust many values such as color, texture, and roughness. Increasing the roughness factor results in a more matte surface, while decreasing it makes reflections more prominent. Now that we have made all the necessary adjustments, you can download the files required to import the model into the AR environment.